Hi, in this session let's learn about some more applications of linear equations in one variable with variable terms on both sides of the equation. You are listening to Shravani. Let's look at the first question. Find the value of x so that L is parallel to M. Now if L and M are two parallel lines, then I can consider this line, let me say this is P. This line P is a transversal to these two lines. Let us first name the points on this. Let me say this is the point A, this is point B, say this is C, this is D, say this is E, and say this is F. And let me call these vertices as G and H. Why am I naming this like this? Because I want to name the angles here to proceed with the problem. Now here this angle 2x plus 15 is the angle BGC. Alright, angle BGC is 2x plus 15 degrees. Angle AGE or angle AGH, both are same. Angle AGE is vertically opposite of angle BGC. What is this angle? Angle BGC and angle AGE are vertically opposite angles. Now we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So I can write this angle also as 2x plus 15. So therefore your angle AGE is also 2x plus 15 degrees. Now you see, if L and M are parallel lines, then this angle AGE and angle FHE are corresponding angles, isn't it? Angle AGE is equal to angle FHE. Why? Because they are corresponding angles. That means to say this 2x plus 15 must be equal to this angle 3x minus 10. So what you have, 2x plus 15 must be equal to 3x minus 10. Now what we have a linear equation in one variable with variable terms on both sides of the equation. To solve this, let me transpose this 2x to the right hand side. Your 15 must be equal to 3x minus 10 minus 2x. When I transpose, its sign changes. What is 3x minus 2x? This is x. Let me now transpose this negative 10 to the other side. That means it will be 15 plus 10. So what is the value of x? 15 plus 10, which is 25 degrees. So the value of x in this case is 25. Let's look at the next question. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to the sum of 6 times the number and 4. Find the number. First what we have, 8 times of a number. Okay, let the required number be x. Now 8 times of this number will be 8 into x, which is 8x, reduced by 10. That means we are subtracting this 10 from this. Okay, this 8x minus 10. This is equal to, okay, sum of. So we have sum of some two quantities. What are they? 6 times the number. 6 times the number, 6 times x will be 6x, and 4, which is 4. So what we have here, 8x minus 10 is equal to 6x plus 4. 8 times of a number reduced by 10 is equal to 6 times the number and 4. Sum of 6 times the number and 4. So now what we have a linear equation again. Here we have variable terms on both sides. Let me transpose this 6x to the left hand side. This would be 8x minus 10 minus 6x is equal to 4. 8x minus 6x is 2x minus 10 is equal to 4. Let's now transpose this negative 10 to the right hand side. That means your 2x will be 4 plus 10. When we are transposing, its sign changes from minus 10 to plus 10. So that means your 2x is equal to 4 plus 10 is 14. So what must be x? We are transposing 2 to the other side. That should be 14 by 2, which is 7. So the value of x in this case is 7. Let's look at the next question. A number consists of two digits whose sum is 9. If 27 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed. Find the number. Before we look at the solution to this, let us first assume a 2-digit number. Let me take a 2-digit number. Let us say my 2-digit number is say 58. Alright. Now 5 is in tens place, 8 is in ones place. Here, what is the sum of digits of this number 58? It is 5 plus 8, which is 13. What is expanded form of the same number? Expanded form of this 2-digit number 58 is obtained by first multiplying the digit in the tens place with its position value. Now if you see ones place, tens place, or if you have some hundreds place or thousands place, those are called as place values, right? So now if I want to write the expanded form of any number, we multiply the digit with its position value. What is the position value of here? 5, it is in tens place. So we are going to multiply this 5 by 10. 5 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place, we are going to multiply 8 with 1. So what is 5 times 10? It is 50 plus 8 times 1 is 8. So 58 is written as 50 plus 8. This is called as expanded form of the number. What is 5 plus 8? 5 plus 8 is the sum of its digits. Alright. So here if I tell you I have a 2-digit number with 8 in the ones place, and we don't know what is the number in tens place, but if I tell you the sum of the digits is 13, then what should be the digit in tens place? Obviously it must be 13 minus this 8. 13 minus 8 is 5, isn't it? So if I have a 2-digit number such that if ones place is 8, sum of its digits is 13, then the number in the or the digit in the tens place will be 13 minus 8. Similarly, now I'll assume I have a 2-digit number. Okay, let me assume the digit in the ones place is x. Alright, what is given? Sum of the digits is 9. Sum of the digits is 9. Then what should be the digit in tens place? Obviously it must be 9 minus x. This makes sense. So what is your 2-digit number now? 9 minus x and x. This is your 2-digit number. Now what is the expanded form of this 2-digit number? Expanded form must be this 9 minus x is in tens place. So we are going to multiply this 9 minus x with 10 plus x is in ones place, we are going to multiply this x with 1. So what is the expanded form now? 9 minus x into 10, which is 90 minus 10x, plus x into 1 is x. So this is 90 minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. So what is the 2-digit number that we can consider? Its expanded form is 90 minus 9x. This makes sense now. Now what is given in the question? A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. So we have taken a 2-digit number such that if x is in ones place, the tens place will have the digit 9 minus x. If 27 is subtracted from the number, now we cannot choose a number just like this 9 minus x, x. Whenever we want to consider a 2-digit number for any mathematical calculations, we will be choosing its expanded form. Now here the expanded form of this number 9 minus x, x is 90 minus 9x. So for mathematical calculations, we will be using this expanded form. So what is given? 27 is subtracted from the number. That means we are taking this 2-digit number which is in the expanded form as 90 minus 9x, and we are subtracting 27 from this. What will be the result according to the question? If 27 is subtracted, its digits are reversed. Now what is the 2-digit number we have? 9 minus and x. Now when we are reversing its digits, what will be the digits now? This will be x will be in tens place, 9 minus x will be in ones place. Now what is expanded form of this 2-digit number? X into 10 plus 9 minus x into 1, which is 9 minus x. That means it is 10x plus 9 minus x. 10x minus x is 9x plus 9. That means when the 2-digit number in this consideration, which we are choosing it as 9 minus x and x, when they are reversed, it will be x and 9 minus x. This 2-digit number in its expanded form is written as 9x plus 9. So that means this must be 9x plus 9. Do you understand? So what we have now, 90 minus 27 is 63. 63 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. Okay, so let's transpose this 9x to the right hand side. That means 63 will be equal to 9x plus 9 plus 9x, alright, which is 18x plus 9. This is 63. Let me transpose this 9 to the left hand side. That means your 63 minus 9 is equal to 18x. 63 minus 9 is 54. This is equal to 18x. So what is x now? It should be 54 divided by 18, which is 3. Alright. So your 2-digit number, what should be the 2-digit number now? If x value is 3, that is the digit in ones place is 3, the digit in tens place must be 9 minus x, that is 9 minus 3, which must be 6. So the 2-digit number must be 63. Do you understand? Let me just explain it to you again. What we need to consider a 2-digit number. So we will consider a 2-digit number such that the sum of the digits is 9. So we will consider a digit x in the ones place. Because the sum of the digits is 9, the digit in the tens place must be 9 minus x. Now whenever we want to make any mathematical computations of any 2-digit number, we usually consider the expanded form of it. What is expanded form of this 9 minus x and x? It must be 9 minus x into 10 plus x into 1. When we simplify this, we get 90 minus 9x. What is given if 27 is subtracted from the number? That is, we take 90 minus 9x and we are subtracting 27 from this. Then the digits of the number are reversed. Now when we are reversing the digits of this number 9 minus x and x, we get x 9 minus x. Now again we need to choose, or we need to consider the expanded form of this 2-digit number. What is the expanded form? X into 10, which is 10x. 9 minus x into 1 will be 9 minus x. This must be 10x minus x is 9x. So it must be 9x plus 9. Okay, this is the expanded form of the 2-digit number when the digits are reversed. So this must be equal to 9x plus 9. Alright, when we simplify this, this will be 63 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9. Now this is a linear equation in one variable. When we want to solve this by transposing this negative 9x to right hand side and this 9 to the left hand side, you finally get x value as 3. When we substitute it in this 2-digit number, x is 3, then what should be the digit in tens place? 9 minus 3. What is 9 minus 3? 6. So the 2-digit number is 63. 6 in the tens place, 3 in the ones place. Alright, let's look at the next question. A number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If the two parts are in the ratio 5:3, find the number and the two parts. So we have a number. This is divided into two parts such that these two parts are in the ratio 5:3. So I can assume the two parts of the number as 5x and 3x for the same value of x. Because they are in the ratio 5:3, I can assume the two parts as 5x and 3x. Alright. Now what is given? One part is 10 more than the other part. So what we have? One part is 10 more than the other part. That means one part of the number is a bigger number. One part is the bigger number and the other part is a smaller number, isn't it? Which is bigger among 5x and 3x? Obviously 5x is bigger among them. 5 times the number is bigger than 3 times the same number. So I can assume this bigger part as 5x and the smaller part will be 3x, so that 5x is equal to 10 plus 3x. Let's now transpose this 3x to the left hand side. It must be 5x minus 3x is equal to 10. 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x is equal to 10. What does this imply? X is equal to 10 by 2, which is 5. When x is equal to 5, what is 5x? 5x is 5 times 5, which is 25. And what is 3x? 3x is 3 times 5, which is 15. And what is the sum of these two numbers? 25 plus 15 is 40. So the two parts are 25 and 15, and the number itself is the sum of these two parts, that is 40. You understand? We can also solve the same problem using a different logic. What is given? One part is 10 more than the other. If I assume one part as x, then the other part will be x plus 10. So the bigger part is x plus 10 and the smaller part is x here. Now what is also given? These two parts are in the ratio 5:3. So that means this bigger part by smaller part must be equal to this ratio 5/3. Alright, let's now cross multiply this. This must be 3 times of x plus 10 is equal to 5 times x. 3 times x plus 10 is 3x plus 30 is equal to 5x. Let's transpose 3x to the right hand side. You get 30 is equal to 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. 30 is equal to 2x. What does this imply? X must be equal to 30 divided by 2, which is 15. That means one part x is 15. Then what should be the other part? X plus 10, which is 15 plus 10, that's 25. So the other part is x plus 10, which is 25. So the two parts are 15 and 25, and the number itself will be sum of these two, that is 15 plus 25, which is 40. You can solve one problem in different ways. All that you need to understand is the logic that we are implementing to solve the same problem. Let's look at the next question. When I triple a certain number and add 2, I get the same answer as I do when I subtract the number from 50. Find the number. Now this is very simple. When I triple a certain number, so let the number be x. Okay, triple this number means 3 times the number and add 2 to this means 3x plus 2. I get the same answer. That means this is equal to when I subtract the number from 50. From 50, that means 50 minus the number, that is 50 minus x. Alright. So when you triple a certain number and add 2 to it, I get the same number as I do when I subtract the number from 50. So it must be 50 minus x. So this is again a linear equation with variable term on both sides. Let's simplify this. Transpose this negative x to the left hand side. That must be 3x plus x is equal to, transpose this 2 to the right hand side. It must be 50 minus 2. 3x plus x is 4x. 50 minus 2 is 48. So what is x? 48 divided by 4, which is 12. So the number is 12. Let's look at the next question. Mary is twice older than her sister. In 5 years' time, she will be 2 years older than her sister. Find how old are they both now. So let me assume the sister's age is x years. Okay, sister's age is x years. Then what is Mary's age according to the condition? Mary's age is twice than older than her sister. That means it must be 2x years. And in 5 years' time, what will be the sister's age? X plus 5 years, isn't it? And what will be Mary's age? Mary's age will be 2x plus 5 years. Now what is the condition given? In 5 years' time, she will be, that is Mary will be 2 years older than her sister. So in 5 years' time, Mary's age is 2x plus 5 years. Sister's age will be x plus 5 years. And according to the condition, Mary's age will be 2 years older than her sister's age. That means 2x plus 5 must be x plus 5 plus 2. Let's simplify this now. You have 2x plus 5 is equal to x plus 5 plus 2 is 7. Let's transpose. You have 2x minus, let's transpose this x to the left hand side, it will be 2x minus x, and transpose 5 to the right hand side, this must be 7 minus 5. 2x minus x is x, 7 minus 5 is 2. So, what is the sister's age? X is equal to 2, that means the sister's age is 2 years. Then what is Mary's age? Mary's age will be double, 2 times 2, which is 4 years. Let's look at the next question. In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times old as she was 9 years ago. How old is she now? Suppose Reshma's age now is x years. In 5 years time, what will be her age? It will be x plus 5 years. What was her age 9 years ago? 9 years ago, Reshma's age was x minus 9 years. Isn't it? Now, what is the condition? In 5 years time, Reshma will be 3 times as old as she was 9 years ago. That means this x plus 5 must be 3 times her age 9 years ago, which is x minus 9. Let's simplify this now. X plus 5 is equal to 3 times of x minus 9 will be 3x minus 27. Let's transpose the terms. You have 27 plus 5, that is transposing 27 to LHS, and you have x to the RHS, that means 3x minus x. 27 plus 5 is 32, 3x minus x is 2x. So, what is x now? It must be 32 divided by 2, which is 16. So, Reshma's present age is 16 years. Let's look at the next question. A town's population increased by 1200 people, and then this new population decreased 11%. The town now had 32 people less than it did before the 1200 increase. Find the original population. Okay, so let me assume the original population of the town as x. Okay, initially let us say there was x number of people living in the town. Now, this is increased by 1200. Okay, this is increased by 1200 means the now population of the town is x plus 1200. What is given? This new population is decreased by 11%. First of all, what is 11% of this x plus 1200? That must be 11 by 100 of your x plus 1200. That is 11x by 100 plus 11 by 100 into 1200. These two hundreds will get cancelled. Let me write this in decimals for the simplicity of calculations. It must be 0.11x plus 11 into 12 is 132. So, 11% of x plus 1200 is 0.11x plus 132. Now, what is given? This new population had decreased by 11%. So, there is a 11% decrease in this. So, that what do we mean by decrease? It is less than this. So, we need to do this x plus 1200 minus of this 0.11x plus 132 is the new population now. What is this? This is x plus 1200 minus 0.11x minus 132. X minus 0.11 is 0.89x plus 1200 minus 132 is 1068. So, this is the new population now. What is the new population now? 0.89x plus 1068. Now, what is the condition? The town now had 32 people less than it did before the 1200 increase. So, before the 1200 increase, what was the population? X. This new population now is 32 people less than this. So, now what we have? 0.89x plus this 1068 must be x minus 32. Right. Let us now simplify this. Let us transpose 0.89 to the right hand side and negative 32 to left hand side. You get 1068 plus 32 is equal to x minus 0.89x. This 1068 plus 32 is 1100, x minus 0.89 is 0.11x. So what does this imply? X must be equal to 1100 by 0.11, which is 1100 into 100 by 11, that's 10,000. So the original population or the initial population of the town is 10,000.